In the dynamic landscape of project management and collaborative endeavors, the concept of teamwork frequently arises as a cornerstone of success. We often hear the adage teamwork makes the dream work, but what truly constitutes good teamwork? It's more than just a group of individuals working in the same vicinity. It's a potent blend of specific ingredients that, when combined effectively, propel projects forward and foster a positive and productive environment. As a project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of cohesive teams, and in this article, we'll dissect the essential elements that contribute to exceptional teamwork, keeping it simple and accessible for everyone. At its heart, good teamwork hinges on clear and open communication. This isn't just about relaying information. It's about creating a safe space where team members feel comfortable expressing their ideas, concerns, and feedback without fear of judgment. Effective communication involves active listening, where individuals truly hear and understand what their colleagues are saying, both verbally and non-verbally. Regular updates, transparent discussions about progress and challenges, and the ability to ask clarifying questions are all vital components. When communication flows freely and honestly, misunderstandings are minimized, and everyone stays on the same page, working towards a shared understanding of goals and expectations. Closely linked to communication is mutual respect and trust. A high-performing team is built on a foundation of respect for each individual's skills, experiences, and perspectives. This means valuing diverse opinions, even when they differ from your own. Trust, on the other hand, develops when team members believe in each other's competence and integrity. When trust is present, individuals are more likely to take risks, delegate effectively, and support one another. This creates a psychologically safe environment where vulnerability is accepted, and team members feel empowered to contribute their best work. Another critical ingredient in the recipe for good teamwork is clearly defined roles and responsibilities. Each team member should have a clear understanding of their specific tasks, their level of authority, and how their contributions fit into the overall project objectives. When roles are ambiguous, it can lead to confusion, duplication of effort, and a lack of accountability. A well-defined structure ensures that everyone knows what is expected of them, allowing them to focus their efforts effectively and take ownership of their assigned tasks. This clarity also facilitates smoother collaboration, as team members understand who to approach for specific information or assistance. Furthermore, shared goals and a unified vision are essential for driving effective teamwork. When everyone on the team is aligned on the objectives and understands the desired outcome, they are more likely to work collaboratively towards achieving those goals. This shared purpose fosters a sense of collective responsibility and motivates individuals to contribute their best efforts. Regular reiteration of the project vision and how each individual's work contributes to the larger picture helps to maintain focus and enthusiasm. Effective conflict resolution is another hallmark of a strong team. Disagreements and differing opinions are inevitable in any collaborative setting. However, it's how these conflicts are addressed that distinguishes a high-performing team. Good teamwork involves the ability to address conflicts constructively, focusing on finding solutions that benefit the entire team rather than individual wins. This requires active listening, empathy, and a willingness to compromise. When conflicts are resolved effectively, they can even lead to stronger relationships and more innovative solutions. Mutual support and encouragement play a significant role in fostering a positive team environment. Team members should feel comfortable offering assistance to one another when needed and celebrating each other's successes. Recognizing and acknowledging individual and team accomplishments boosts morale and reinforces positive behaviors. A supportive atmosphere encourages collaboration and makes team members feel valued and appreciated for their contributions.